All right, I finally got the hurricane harbor sign with nobody in the way. We are back. It is August 8th, I believe, 2025. We didn't come last week, but we're here again today. And today we have the teriyaki chicken sandwich with chips and our drink. I guess we'll go in the wave pool now. We took a little walk, half of the park, one side. And the lines are kind of long. It didn't look so busy coming in today, but yeah, because they're all inside already. Perfect timing. We got the waves. They just started as we walked in. I heard screams. And there they go on the last one. Weirdo. Are you acting like a beached whale?
A turtle.
Oh, a turtle, like
a sea turtle. Come up
Alright. Oh, okay. Alrighty, now we got a double cheeseburger and fries. Double cheeseburger and fries on the meal plan. Get our meals, 2 meals a day. Get our money's worth. Check out the lazy river with all the blue rental tubes. It is 6 o'clock or after, and we are out. I think we are going to take a walk across the courtyard and go check out Magic Mountain. Well, we made it into Magic Mountain. Last time we came for the meal plan, we hopped across the courtyard, or whatever the heck you want to call that, to eat, and then we went back to Hurricane Harbor. But this time, the old man wants to take a little walk. So we'll just take a little walk and check it out. There's that sign I like, Bugs Bunny World. Being that my backpack is see-through, I really don't want to leave it in one of the cubbies. So we are going to take a little train ride. Yay! That way I can just keep it with me safely in my hands. Whistle Stop Station. I just feel like relaxing. No coasters today. Another fun day at Hurricane Harbor. We got a few POVs, mainly the tube slides, not the body. Not today. So we always stop at In-N-Out on the way home. Even the kid at home gets a frickin' double. Check it out. Yum, yum, yum.